I want to show you another way to use your calculator to do this negative b over 2a. First thing you have to do is you have to type in the equation. So here's my equation right here. I'm going to type it in the calculator, and the only difference is I'm not going to use the equal sign. So I'm going to do f parentheses x, close parentheses. And this time I'm going to do this symbol right here, not the equal sign, but the control and then your template key. And that's going to give me an equal sign with a little colon in front of it. That's some computer software protocol, something that you have to do right here to make sure the calculator understands that you're putting in an equation that has some variables in it. So now I'm just going to finish typing the equation. 2x squared minus 9x plus 4. And I'm going to press enter, and nothing happens other than the fact that it tells you, okay, it has this function now. And I like the way that it does it because it kind of makes obvious what your A and your B and your C are. So now we need to do negative b over 2a. So give yourself a fraction bar and go ahead and hit the negative because that's in the formula, negative. Now we're going to type in the value of b. Well, our b happens to be a negative 9, so you go ahead and type in negative 9. Go down here, divided by 2 times, and this time our a is a value of 2. So negative b over 2a. Press enter, and it gives me the same fraction that the textbook gave you over here. Now, you can do, because we've got this defined up here, you can do f parentheses, and you can type in 9 over 4. Well, I'm also going to type in second answer because the calculator knows that was my last answer. So I'm going to do plug in my answer right there, close my parentheses, and when I press enter, you'll see that it even plugged it in for me. It changed it. That's what the answer was, 9 over 4. And they evaluated that for me, and it came out to be negative 49 over 8, which is exactly what we got over here. So that means that this is the x value of my vertex, and this is the y value of my vertex. This is also negative b over 2a is also the axis of symmetry. So I also have my axis of symmetry equation. I like it because you can also find the y-intercept. All you got to do always to find the y-intercept is plug in 0 for x. So you plug in 0, press enter, and the y-intercept is 4. And it doesn't matter what form. You can plug all 3 forms in to the calculator. You have an equation, you can type it in just like this and then plug in values this way. I really like this way.